Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, we are making hands down my favorite recipe for homemade snickerdoodles. Y'all, these cookies bake up so soft and thick and chewy. They are so addictive. You have been warned. Let's go. Okay, first step, we're going to add some baking soda, some salt, and cream of tartar into our flour. We're going to whisk this around really good because we want to make sure we get all that leavening evenly distributed, and that looks good. We are done with our dry ingredients. Let's move along, shall we, darling? Alright, so we're going to move on to our wet ingredients. I have some unsalted butter and some butter flavored shortening. Plop those two girls in that bowl. Next, we're going to add in our light brown sugar, and we're going to add in a little bit of this granulated sugar. We're going to mix this all up until it is super creamy, and that brown sugar, oh my goodness, it was giving me a run for my money. It was refusing to break up, but eventually I got it all nice and creamy. And once you have everything all creamed out like this right here, we're going to add in our eggs. We're going to dump them into our batter one at a time, and make sure that you beat it between each egg, and also make sure that your eggs are room temperature, okay? That really helps out a lot. All right, so I've added my eggs and then we're gonna mix it until the eggs are combined. That looks perfect. Now we're gonna bring on our vanilla extract. I'm gonna go with 2 teaspoons. Sometimes I go with a tablespoon, but usually 2 teaspoons does the job. Okay, oh, my throat is like so scratchy, you guys, please excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna mix in my vanilla, and that's how the batter looks. Perfect. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix in my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients, and y'all, let me tell you something. My arms were on fire. Like, this is such a workout. This dough is beastly. I was getting hot, sweating, breathing all hard. But yeah, just keep on working the dough. Eventually it will, all that flour will get mixed in. You will have a nice soft dough. I ended up kneading it a little bit, and that kind of helped really work in that flour. But yeah, we got it done. There she go. There she go. Okay, so I'm going to scoop out a little bit of this dough. I'm going to roll it because I like it to be nice and smooth. And then I'm going to dip it into some cinnamon sugar and really pack that thing on there, y'all, okay? Because I hate it when snickerdoodles have that little faint cinnamon sugar. I'm like, no, okay? Really make it worth it, honey. Put it down, flip it, and reverse it. Just get it on there. Just like that. Perfect. That looks perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to bake it 325 for about 8 minutes. And when they come out of the oven, let them hang out on the pan for about 2 minutes, and then place them on a cooling rack to finish cooling off. And then you have these cute little thick and chewy snickerdoodles with the perfect cinnamon sugar topping that you will not be able to stop eating. For real, you guys, they're so good. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.